Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I just made it back from my grand design visit, and I come to check on the status of the guys, see where they left off at and what they're doing. And caught up here with Aaron. He's actually in the process of sanding down the side edges of the roof. This is actual new roof that we just replaced all the wood sheeting on. It came in for tree damage to the membrane, and when they replaced the membrane on it, the glue was glued down pretty well, so when it pulled up, it actually damaged the OSB chipping. So instead of overlaying it, which we wasn't able to do because this one was actually a 8'4" wide roof, we ended up go ahead and elected to, because of the particles that were removed were so deep and so bad that we talked to the insurance company and the customer and said, hey, this needs to be done. So the good thing, while they were in here replacing and resheeting this whole roof, I'll have to post pictures of it, which Dave is currently sending me right now. All of the ducting over the course of this unit was separated. So every single section where the ductwork connects to it, from the racetrack ends clear on down, all the foil tape was completely broken loose in multiple areas. And so you'll see those pictures in a post later that I'll do. But this is another reason why you want to go ahead and when you're replacing a roof, if possible, you want to be able to take off the wood sheeting and get in there. So he said that all the truss work was good, all the insulation was good. He got pictures of all that. He checked all the wiring and any electrical connections while they were up there as well, and said that everything looked beautiful, except for that ducking. So, all right, well, thanks again. This is Dustin, your RV specialist at California RV Specialist. Have a great day, everyone.